Hello guys! Nandito naman tayo ngayon para matuto ng Python programming sa Object-Oriented Programming. Tayo ay makinig at matuto sa araw na ito. Alamin natin ang definition ng nested loop. Ang nested loop ay, the inner loop will be executed each iteration if the value of outer loop is true. Sometimes nested looping used in multidimensional array or depends on the problem outcome you want to have. Real-life example, school at students. Outer loop, classes, you visit each class one by one. Inner loop, students, within each class, you check on each student individually. Let's say you're a teacher, and you need to check homework from students in 3 different classes, and each class has 5 students. You start with class isa, outer loop. Inside class isa, you check homework for student isa, student dalawa, and so on until student 5, inner loop. After finishing with all students in class isa, you move to class dalawa, outer loop continues. Again, you check homework for each student in class dalawa, inner loop. Then, you go to class tatlo, and repeat the process. In programming, this is like having one loop, outer, that goes through each class, and another loop, inner, that goes through the students in each class. Ngayon punta na tayo sa flowchart ng nested looping. Yung nakikita nyong figure sa baba. Sa figure na ito nag-i-start tayo sa initialization bago tayo pumunta sa condition. Pag mayroon na tayong initialize na value, mayroon na tayong ma-i-compara sa ating outer loop na condition. Kung ang value ng condition natin ay true, execute niya yung inner loop condition natin. Kung ang value ng inner loop ay true, execute niya yung statement at mag-increment hanggang sa ang condition natin ay mag-false. Kapag mag-false ang condition ng inner loop, mag-increment ang value ng initial natin ng outer loop at ulitin-ulit hanggang sa ang condition ng outer loop ay mag-false. Kapag mag-false na, doon lang mag-end ang nested looping natin pag false na ang outer loop natin.